If you're looking to instantly capture leads and drive more conversions, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to use CrankWheel for instant lead capture, and we'll also touch on some alternatives you might want to consider. Let's dive right into CrankWheel. It's a simple, no-download tool that helps you engage with prospects instantly through screen sharing. The first thing you'll want to do is sign up for CrankWheel. Once you're in, you can quickly set up your account and start customizing your landing page or web widget, which is what visitors will see when they enter their details to access your live screen share. Next thing, CrankWheel allows you to instantly connect with leads in real time. Imagine a visitor enters their details, and within seconds, you're sharing your screen, showing them exactly what they need to see. It's a seamless experience that gives your leads the personal touch, but with the speed of automation. But here's a catch. If you have a high volume of visitors, it can sometimes get a bit clunky or confusing for users unfamiliar with screen sharing tools. The third thing to highlight is how easy it is to integrate CrankWheel with your existing CRM system, like HubSpot or Salesforce. This can make the follow-up process smoother, but depending on the CRM you use, you might find that the integration isn't as robust as some of the other lead capture tools out there. Now, let's talk about its limitations. While CrankWheel offers great speed and convenience, it lacks a few advanced features that competitors provide. For instance, it doesn't offer advanced analytics that could help you understand exactly where your leads are coming from or track their journey. Plus, some users have mentioned that the customization options for the landing page are a bit limited compared to other platforms. Next thing, CrankWheel also lacks automation in some areas. If you're looking to run an entirely hands-off lead capture operation, CrankWheel might fall short in terms of pre-scheduled demos and follow-ups. That's something to consider if you're after a more automated solution. The fourth thing is its price point. CrankWheel's pricing is competitive for what it offers, but when you compare it to some of the more comprehensive alternatives that provide a wider range of features and integrations, you might find it doesn't stack up as well when you're looking to scale. Which brings us to the alternatives. Tools like Competitor 1 and Competitor 2 offer similar instant lead capture features, but come with additional perks like better CRM integrations, advanced analytics, and automation that can scale with your business. If you're looking for a more feature-rich alternative, you might want to explore those options, as they not only give you more tools, but they also offer extended free trials for you to test. Finally, while CrankWheel is effective for some, if you're aiming to capture leads at scale with more advanced tracking, automations, and integrations, you might want to give these alternatives a shot. And before you go, here's some good news. Through our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial to CrankWheel and Best Alternative, which has some amazing features for your lead capture goals. Click the link to get the best trial deals and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and remember, testing out these tools with free trials is a smart way to find the best fit for your business.